Isang magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ngayon po ay araw ng Lunes, March 24. At shout out po muna tayo sa mga may kaarawan. Kina Aris Inocencio, Romel Lobosana, Jerome Ferrer, Joselito L. Mancel, at Ekot Reyes. Ganun din po, belated greetings sa mga nagdiwang na kaarawan kahapon, March 23, araw ng linggo. Kina Jonathan Gapusan, Felix Dinglasan, Aldris Tomanman Puken, John Ray Simbahon Puentes, Edwin Hondrado, ganun din po kay Walter Suaso Baginaon, Micaela Del Valle, Laura, at Michael Teodoro Lizartigues. Ganun din po, advance greeting po sa mga magdiriwang na kaarawan bukas, March 25, araw ng Martes, kina Jong Nicolas, siya po ang team referee ng Lasal UAAP team. Wilmar Guzman, Jack Mera Abiwela, Edgar Halili, at ganoon din po kay Marso 25, Jer Espino, Joseph Kimbo, Dennis Rane Dalen Gandesa ng Barangay 702 at kay Mark Cantor. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo lahat at sinaway patuloy kayong kasiyahan ng ating poong may kapal. Ang ating pong pag-aaral ngayong umagang ito ay ang 2 scenarios na pwede pong mangyari when the game clock shows 2 minutes or less in the fourth quarter and each overtime on a throw-in. Kasi dalawa po pwede mangyari doon, yung illegal boundary line crossing, violation, at ang throw-in foul. Okay? Unahin po natin yung Article 17.3.3. The referee shall use an illegal boundary line crossing signal as a warning before administering the throw-in during the last 2 minutes ng fourth quarter or less or in its overtime period. Okay? Ano po ang pwedeng violation dito? Okay? Una po, if a defensive player moves any part of the body over the boundary line to interfere with the throw-in. Kung lumagpas po siya sa itinakdang boundary line ng referee, it is a violation. So, sinabi ng referee, ito po, hanggang dito lang po, pag lumagpas siya doon sa boundary line crossing signal, violation po yun. Pangalawang senaryo, sabi doon, if a defensive player is closer than 1 meter, ibig sabihin, kailangan 1 meter po siya sa nag-throw-in. When the throw-in is as less than 2 meters distance. Ang ibig sabihin po ng 2 meters distance, kung yung throw-in place po yung boundary line, less than 2 meters yung mga pagitan, mga benches po. Okay? So, ang dapat ang defense is kailangan 1 meter away sa throw-in player, or else it is a violation. So, if there is a violation, as mentioned above, it shall lead to a technical foul. So, technical foul po yun, pag nangyari po yun. Alam naman natin na pag may technical foul occurred, any player designated by the head coach shall attempt 1 free throw with no lineup. Siyempre po, every time may technical foul, mag-free throw yung player, wala pong lineup po yan. So, after the free throw, ano pa mangyari ang resumption? The game shall be resumed for a throw-in from the place of original throw-in. Doon po tayo magpapatuloy laro, doon sa original throw-in, kung saan nangyari po ang technical foul. Okay? Dadako naman po tayo sa pangalawang pwede mangyari. Ito po yung sa Article 34.1.2 about the throw-in foul. A throw-in foul is a personal foul committed by a defensive player on an opponent on the court when the ball is out of bounds for a throw-in. See, yun yung pong throw-in foul. When does a throw-in foul occur? O pwede tumawag ng referee? Una po, when the ball is still in the hands of the referee. Pag magka-throw-in po ang A1, hawak pa ng referee ang bola at nagkaroon ng foul sa loob ng court, ang tawag po doon ay throw-in foul. Pangalawa, when the ball is at the disposal of a thrower in, pag hawak po ng A1 ng bola, na sa kanya na, disposal niya, at nagkaroon ng foul inside the court during a throw-in, yun po ang throw-in foul. Okay? If there is a throw-in foul, the player who was fouled shall be awarded only one free throw with no lineup. So, ang throw-in foul po, one free throw lamang po yan. Dati po, katunayan itong throw-in foul na sa panlima doon sa unsportsmanlike foul. Tinanggal po itong throw-in foul sa unsportsmanlike foul, may sarili na po siyang article. Okay? At paano po ang assumption? The game shall be resumed with throw-in from the nearest place where a foul occurred. Kung saan po nangyari ang foul, doon po tayo mag-throw-in. And remember this, para po sa lahat mga referee, throw-in foul is not a technical foul. Throw-in foul is a throw-in foul, hindi technical foul. Kasi marami namang maling referee, ang sabi nila is technical foul po yan, hindi po. Yan pong ating maikling rin sa umaga ito at naway naunawaan natin. At naway huwag po tayo magsawang mag-like, mag-share, mag-follow at mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Hanggang sa muli, ito po yung abang lingkod, former FIBA referee, eto Kamarongan. Bye-bye.